Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, you even try. First of all, I would say you try. At least you are one of the governors that have even increased the minimum wage from 30 to 40,000. You even try. Some governors have not even considered their people and say, Kwara State have say work 2 to 3 times a week. You say work twice from home and you increase the money to 40,000. You try. But let me tell you something. I will say that before you increase minimum wage, don't just put 10,000 on top money. Go and do market survey. Go and find out how much are foodstuff sold, how much is spoil selling, how much will the person use and survive his family before you increase minimum. We have to do the calculation well. We are quick to just say they want to please people because of politics. You have to do the mathematics. Do the cost of living, transportation, even for them to even stay and work at home. When they are working at home, is it not lights they will use to work? They will use lights to work at home now. There is no light. Okay, the ones that want to work with his laptop at home, he has to buy, still use that money to go and buy fuel to on their gen and work from. So them going to work and then stay at home work is the same thing. It's not by increasing minimum wage from 30 to 40,000. You have to do the calculation well so that it can balance. If you do good thing and the good thing is not balanced, it's not good thing. It's eye service. This one you did to me is eye service. You try. I'm not saying you didn't try, but this one is eye service because you didn't do market survey. You didn't do the calculation well. Are we going back or are we going front? The office now will be empty. The building that we waste money to build will be empty. They will be at home. These people, I don't know. You didn't do your calculation very well. Have you even repaired all the road in Edo State? Have you even, you are concerned for this one? Have you go down, as a governor, do you even come out to even walk around? Why are you even far from your people? Before they appoint you into office, you are everywhere. The moment you enter, you are scarce. They don't see you again. Sometimes take a stroll around the state. This road is bad. Take note, please. We can fix it. This one is bad. The ones that federal government is supposed to even give money to do. Follow up of federal government. I've gone to your state. I've seen that Aduawa, that entrance of Benin. Bad road. How can a state like Benin City have only one flyover? Only one flyover in Benin. When Wike has done 11 flyover, 12. Delta State, they have flyover left, right, center. Ebonyi State, small state, which day they start? The governor has put flyover everywhere. You didn't put flyover. So because you gave 10,000, you add 10,000 to 30,000, you want them to praise you that you are a good man. You are deceiving yourself. Let me tell you people something. All of us that have whole power, we will give account to God. The way you use that power. So you put 10,000, you want us to praise you that you are a good man. You didn't do anything to me because you didn't do it well. Press calculator per person. How much per press the calculator. Don't just put 10,000 on 30,000 thing that will clap for you. That is not how it's done. If you want to govern well. If you want to do good well. Or you do your bad, let's know you are bad. Don't pretend for us. We are not small children. And you, my people of Edo State, that they add 10,000, you are shouting, the governor, you don't have sense. They are cheating you, it's your money. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. I don't support bad thing. I don't. Even as I'm talking for Edo people, they will say, this one don't have sense. Pace or not. I agree. No problem. I'll pace my business. But I am the spice creator. This one is something you cannot take away from me. This is my title. OON from myself to me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.